Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, I'm going to show you the steps you can take to make sure that your anchor holds you day and night in a new anchorage. Here we want to anchor in Provincetown Harbor in Massachusetts. We lower and set our anchor deep into the seabed. Once the boat has settled down into the wind or current, place the back of your hand on that part of the anchor rod on deck. If you notice vibration, this indicates dragging. Veer scope or ease the anchor rod to encourage the anchor to reset itself deep into the seabed. Look off the beam and try to find two objects that line up in a natural range or transit. Here you can see this spire and standpipe in Provincetown Harbor are just forward of our beam. As long as those two objects remain in line, this indicates that our anchor is holding. If the boat starts to drag, veer scope to reset the anchor. Check for dragging again with the back of your hand. Choose a new object near the beam to use as a drag bearing. Here we've chosen an antenna. Take a bearing to the antenna with your hand bearing compass or sight over the steering compass. Log this bearing into the ship's log along with the time. Check your drag bearing throughout the day and night. If you notice a change of more than 2 degrees, this could indicate that your boat has started to drag. Repeat the steps described earlier. If necessary, weigh anchor and move to a new location. Use these easy sailing tips to help you keep your small sailboat and her sailing crew safe and sound on the waters of the world. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.